You will be using the tasks you learn in this section every day you work with an APD client. The forms we will be learning about are the foundation of your documentation and record keeping. You will need to have a good understanding of the following things: the forms you will use for specific type of documentation, the location or locations where copies of the forms are to be filed, how to properly complete the forms, the rules associated with the forms such as deadlines for submission when they need to be updated, etc. How to complete a MAR form to include setting up a new MAR, updating a MAR, and accurately and completely documenting the administration or supervision of the medication. In this section, you will learn the nuts and bolts of completing all of the forms you may be using for documenting the care you provide for APD clients. I will also review deadlines and rules related to the forms. I've included copies of the forms in your worksheets. Please fill them out as we go through the lessons. You may also review the forms and how to complete them at any time on MedEd America's YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button if you would like to receive notifications when we add new or updated videos.